On today's video, we get the rafters on, the decking down, and the subfloor put back in the cabin.
Yeah, the leaf springs to the rear so you can clear the bigger tires. You gotta go with 15-inch wheels. Yeah. So you can get decent tires. And the front is a torsion bar suspension. So you have to crank the torsion bars up. And so it levels the structure. And you put the bigger tires on the front so you can. And then, the rest of the time you own it, you'll wish for a bigger motor.
We've got one down there that'll put the bigger motor in.
Yeah.
Then we wish for the fuel mileage of the smaller motor.
Well, it still got pretty good. Whoops, sorry. Thought we already had that.
Hang on. You changed
You ain't
everything.
got nothing, do you?
Yeah, that one may be close enough.
Let's see, what was that, a 2.8 or
2.6.
a 2.6? They got a little old
1.8.
1.8 that they come out with. Pitiful little thing, but it gets good mileage and lasts about forever.
Here we have a new little DeWalt jigsaw. So if I can get it to focus. It's a DCS 331. Home Depot had a deal on them where you got the 20 volt power stack. I don't know why it's not focusing here. You got a 20 volt power stack battery and charger with it. So we didn't do an unboxing, but we're going to try it for the first time here today. Don't know nothing about it. It's got all kinds of fancy stuff that we'll dig into later. I'll say it has a blower. It's turned off. You can turn it on and it's supposed to blow the sawdust out of the...
It's helpful.
We'll have to try that.
Try it on the next cut.
We'll try it on the next cut. But it has a wind blower turned on. It's a variable speed too, I guess. Normally they just have a variable trigger, don't they? No, that's not a variable trigger. them down. Can you do one more? See how straight it looks. It's got a little hook, I think.
We can straighten that out with a plywood cover. Makes it a lot better made.
You're gonna want to put a clip in before you shoot again. Yeah. Yeah.
And I assume
Fixing to set up and make a few more rafters here. But this is going pretty good this morning. I don't know if you can see for the sun.
cut off grinder thing?
Yeah. Yeah.
But this is the same way.
This is supposed to be like that sheetrock one that I got. It's got the trigger lock, and you're supposed to be able to sit there and just palm it like that.
Well, I ain't that worried about being super fast. I'd rather hit the joystick.
Anyway, and you will probably be the screw guy, I'm guessing. Got to go pick up a couple more sheets of Advantech to finish this out. But glad to have this floor back in here. I'm really glad for the screw gun because that made it nice. That made it really nice. A little stiffer than you want?
Can't just stick that other one on.
I would. Or try and stick that soft one over that one. We got some water sealer going down on the Advantech because of this most recent current hurricane we have coming in. And as you can see, the walls, you know, they kind of leak.
That's going to do it for this video, so like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one when things start changing colors.